It doesn't matter what age you are, even if you're like 100 or so and the other person's like 5, you can still be friends.
Mae clwb ni wedi bod yn rhan o fywyd yn Plascrug ers nifer o flynydde erbyn hyn ac yn bartneriaeth rhwng yr ysgol a Tai Ceredigion. Mae wedi bod yn llwyddiannus iawn ac efallai un peth sydd wedi digwydd dros bywyd y clwb yw'r ffaith bod y gwaith paratoi wedi dod yn rhwyddach achos ni wedi sylweddoli mae'r gymdeithas sydd fwyaf pwysig a'r cyd-ddysgu a y cyd-fwynhau rhwng yr aelodau ifanca a'r aelodau hŷn.
It's really important for schools to interact with the older generation to make the older people happy as well, because I think it makes them really happy.
It's allowing the children to get to know older people as people and not as old objects that get in the way.
Fi'n meddwl fi wedi dysgu rhywbeth achos maen nhw ddim mor boring a mae lot o pobl yn meddwl maen nhw yn.
Well, I think it reinforces our sense of being still with it, of finding ourselves acceptable, of finding it with great pleasure and satisfaction the good manners and the cheerfulness and intelligence of the young people we meet with. It's absolutely brilliant.
If you're like a quiet person, you would know a lot more people and you'd find yourself a voice, pretty much.
A lot of our residents are on their own. They haven't got younger grandchildren or great-grandchildren. So coming here, they're able to interact, they're able to learn new skills, they get more confidence. We had one of our older members say that he'd never used an iPad or a computer before, and some of the younger members had shown him how to, and he'd got so much more confidence, he was now able to use it on his own.
If you can find a school that's willing and happy and able to organise it, there's nothing to lose and everything to gain.